Hey there, quick review on these Akro-Mils storage containers. I've been using these for almost probably 5 years or so now. I've got a lot of really heavy bolts and nuts and all kinds of stuff in them. Let me show you how they work and kind of give you the overall review of how they have handled all this weight. As you'll see here, I've got a couple different types of organizers here. This one, it's got 12 large bins and then a bunch of smaller bins on top. This one up here, it's got 6 of the larger bins on the sides and smaller bins in the center. You can also put dividers in these. That works really well also. You notice whenever you pull these out, it does stop. It won't let you pull it all the way out, so you can access them this way. But what I often do is I like to take the bin with me, and to do that, you simply lift up at the end and it'll pop right out of there because of this tab right here. So these work really well. As you can see, I've got a divider in between there. It just allows you to have a lot of storage space inside here. Now you will notice there is a little bit of a bow right here from all the weight. That hasn't affected any of the actual functioning of these bins at all. So they hold up really well, even stacking them on top of each other. I like to either use labels or cut the parts of your box of screws whenever you purchase it and just stick that in the front of the container, and that works really well also. So these are an excellent value. They hold up well, work really well. I'd recommend them.